everyone, we are now in Bangladesh and we are in my husband's cousin's house. So she is cooking some Bangladeshi style fried fish and we thought we would share it with everyone, so maybe you can try it yourself and let's see if you like it. Okay, let's see how she did. We have rui fish and spices. We have garlic, onions, some turmeric powder, some chili powder and some garam masala powder and a pinch of salt. You mix it all together, make it into a paste, and then you add it onto the fish. Make it nice and even. You leave the fish aside for like about 15 minutes before you start frying it. Then you add some oil onto the pan. Make sure the oil is hot when you fry the fish. So you fry the fish. You have to be careful with the oil. You can also cover it with a lid if you need to, if you want to. So then you turn it over as soon as you see it's nice and golden. And then you continue frying the rest of the fish. You add it onto a paper towel. And this is it. Here is the fish. Then you add some crispy onions. And here you go. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.